izule obvious nami usuqagela movious yayona umbrella i-podcast enothando labantu thanda nokwazi ngohambo labantu hamba ngefaith futhi ayihambi ngesite kodwa mekumnyama iyayifaka.
What's up, Magenge? What's up, Dubana? What's up, South Africa? It's your girl, our child Africa, all the way from Kamash. But today, we're here at Hue Cafe for a Zulu Lover Girl experience with Usibu, and we're here to see her first ever live performance from her EP, A Zulu Lover Girl. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe. This is the Creative Spotlight every Wednesday. Come along.
Thank you so much, Teffa. Thank you to Teffa's better half and my best friend. I don't know how she does that, but thank you, Kanye. Thank you to my friends from Joburg for coming down. Thank you to my K-Cup family. Thank you to my family, my blood. Thank you. I've got my siblings at the door. I've got my family everywhere. I want to thank Bangles and ngiyabonga Sibahle. Thank you Nosipho, my parents, my family, my moms and no mama baningi ngiyabonga. Ulinda ngimbonile la kodwa ngazi noma yena uzwile ukuthi ngibonga kangakanani. Wazi wangibona mfethu. For the first time that I brought a Zulu Lover Girl show to the people, Linda opened it up to Hugh. Nendlela ngiphathe ngayo bengiyi superstar from the word go. Wazongiphatha kahle Linda, thank you. Ngiyabonga nonke nqamla amazwe, ma respect kuphi eGoli. Thank you to Creatives Unplugged. I love you guys so much. I see you. Thank you. Ngiyabonga. Thank you to my sound. We're Slay. I appreciate you. Slay is one half of the people that created the music. He produced this music and he's here to engineer this music. He came all the way from Joburg. Ngiyabonga Slay. Thank you, God. I appreciate you. Ngiyabonga. Over to you.
Siyabonga Linda, can you come on stage please? Linda, can you come Okay, it's alright. Yeah, what's on the chamber? Song is shy. Linda, wait, yeah, Michelle. Guys, this is the owner of this space. Tanisha Design. Besibonga thina ezabazali basini. Usitshelile konke siyabonga. uNkulunkulu engathi nalama decisions efanele wenze akucabangisise kuvele kwehla imvula yebusisi. Kungabi khona ukuswela kule ndawo. Uvikeleke kubo bonke. uNkulunkulu akukhulise kuyo into ofisa ukuthi uyenze empilweni. Akukhulise siyabonga kakhulu. Yes, thank you. Ngomhla ka-23 we were blessed ngale ntokazi le nami kade ngilokhu ngisula inyembezi nje la ngithi I can't believe ukuthi uNkulunkulu sesithathe wasibeka la njoba usibusisiwe nje sibusisiwe sithi usibusisiwe ekhaya ngaye emncane bekubonakala ukuthi uzoba yilo kayibona. So thank you so much ngakho konke sibusiwe. Sibonga nje ukuthi ubreakile yasayike ngixoxelile ngayo. Sifisa ukubona kuma stages aphesheya kuyilwandle. Futhi kuzokwenzeka. Siyabonga Thandeka ungibambisa ngikhulise lo mntwana. uNkulunkulu akubusise. Bonga yonke imindeni yonke khona ngibonile ePietermaritzburg ngibonile kuwo konke. Unegazi elihleke wena. Ingakho ubuhle nje. Siyabonga guys, angikwazi ukubonga okuningi mina ngibusebongile yena. But okukhulu kunabo konke nazi ukuthi enikwenze namhlanje nisigqugquzela ukuthi nathi ngathi singakwenza kwabanye. Niqhubeke futhi supporting. Ngiye ngathi kwabanye guys akusekona ukuthi yini but ukuzotshengisa umntwana ukuthi akangafadamali, angaze aphuze utshwala, angaze aye kuma drugs but mebona ngigcwele kanje kusho ukuthi kukhula sazokwenza ngoba uyabona support unayo. Uzuyiphathe kahle lesithandwa sami. This is the beginning. It's only the beginning. Akakafika la siyakhona. Siyabonga uNkulunkulu anibusise bantakwethu nonke.
Guys, ukuthi manje ngiyabona ngiyashuthwa. So ngabe ngonakele. Mangangixoxele yabona impahla le ngigqokile la. Ithungwe ngilayo nile eGoli. Thank you to Indalete Sims. She just hit me up and she was like, let me make something for you for the show, bruh. And I like it. I like it. Yeah, nase nabahle. Ngiyabonga uhlonipha umcimbi wami. Ningakusabi ukuthenga because uThurani uthenga ithikithi, ukuthenga ukudla, keeps the lights, keeps nathi sifakile upetrol emotweni zethu ezizayo. It helps us pay for everything to happen. So noma ungalambeli ukuthenge, noma unjani uthenge, noma ungawulalela umculo uthenge ithikithi uyolalela, noma ungawathanda ama-movie uthenge uyobukela, noma ethi uphotograph 5,000 ukhokhe ngoba nje. Help feed a creative, help. The main theme of the show was iphupha lifa umnikazi esaphila. Ningikhombisile lokho, and I hope that iphupha lifa umnikazi esaphila. You guys are proof of that. Ningayeki namhlanje ukuthi nibe ingxenye yephupho lomunye umuntu. Ngibonge nomndeni wamasenanda FM ngokungivumela ukuthi ngibe lana ke first of all ngingabi semsebenzini. Ebese ngiphinde ngibonge ngobuningi babo ukuthi babe lana nayo yonke imisakazo. Ngimkhulu ngenxa yenu nonke. La cela nishayele izandla. Siyathokoza. Sodansa ke mawuthi kusavuliwe. Feel free. I'm here. I want to see everybody and say hi to everybody, and yeah, thank you.
Sanibonani. Ngibona umama enza le yanto yokuthi phela kumama letha la i-microphone. Okay, ngiyaxolisa ukuntshontsha ishow u-Atlas uphila noKaduma lo. I'm the producer of KZN International Jazz Festival. So mangihlezi lapha bese kwashiwo ukuthi i-happy birthday to you yakhe. Ngabe sekithi hayi uthi ngimuphi isipho. So ngiyajabula ukuthi ngikubone sisiwami.
Manje ngafundisa wena nje u-theory of music.
It's given. Okay, what thing I police? Ikhona funding.
Nazo.
Kusho ukuthi iKZN International Jazz Festival 2026 ikhona. So isipho sami, isipho sakaGeya Foundation, the producer of the festival, siza kuwe sithi you're gonna be part of the lineup. Kunjalo nje. Okay, ngisathe ifunding ikhona, yabo. So ke sayisebenza idate izophuma ngekudala kodwa izobe ingeNovember, the main festival. Lalela ngicela ukuthi ngisale senginimema. I-festival idecide ukwenza a fundraiser concert for isikole esibizwa ngokuthi Oxford Sacred Heart Secondary School siseVerulem. Isikole samantombazane kuphela. So leso sikole leso sithe uthi sithi give a hand, so sizokwazi ukuthi sithi facelift the buildings amadala akhiwa ngo-1910. So manje ingane zisekhona laphayana sithi nje ake sifake isandla. Isicelo sami sithi sisacela ukuthi guys njengoba ningaka ngicela ukuthi ngomhla ka2 May niphelele so supporta lesa sikole. Ama-tickets nje bafethu i-lineup is good. It's good. Isikole sithe nje asilethe odokotela bo-music babe part of the lineup. Usibumesh Mashibane uzobe khona, uDr Xolisa Dlamini uzobe khona, uDr Nestle Rangen uzobe khona, bese kuba the legendary Slayelo Selote uzobe khona, yabo. Then bese kuba ma graduate Vincent Mthetho and his band uzobe khona, Mthobisi Mthalane uzobe khona, bese kuba enye igraduate uThemba lethu eBhengu uzobe khona sifinalize iline-up ngingakazi ukuthi usenjelo usenje yabo so ke we will see sodlala amakhadi sibone kwenzakalani yabo mhlambe ngase nimbone sese stage kodwa isipho sakhe esikhulu is for the main festival ozayo ukuthi nibe khona guys amathikithi a cheap i-fundraiser so u200 rand nje bafethu generally bengabe ufuna ukuba serious i-Golden Cycle is 300 rand if you want to be even more serious kukhona i-tent eli-decent kukhona ukudla oku-decent kukhona abantu ozokuminglisha nabo aba-decent so your 1000 rand is going to give you a seat kuma VIP kodwa nje any part of the festival that you afford i-ticket layo usacela ukuthi nifike singajabula kakhulu mhla ka2 iqala ngo4 ize kuze kuvalwa kodwa ngeke kuphele 11 ebusuku ingakapheli so enjalo siyabonga
another gift bafowethu from Usibonelo Cheerful Time.
Sanibona ngiyajabula ukunibona ngiyaqala nokunibona ngoba ilanga lama gifts eqaleni bekuyihint nje kuma wakho ngizoba ne festival as well i-date yayo ikhona mhla ka16 June kenza i-festival yabantu abakhubazekile eno 20% able bodied artists bese bano 80% disabled artists so ku 20% wami ke sengivela igama lokuqala ngathi akubuwena ke njengoba uduma ke kade babudumesho la ethi uyanimeme ngisho lawo magama nami angako wazika amathikithi azoba imali mhlambe nina njengoba nila ngizongenisa mahala nibhalisile lamani ngeke niyazibona ukuthi ninjani that's it thank you
Ngifuna ukungasho ukuthi ena lo bhuti okhuluma manje uyena wahlanganisa uSibu nalabantu abadlala kahle kangaka. Sani mshayeni izandla enkulu siyabonga kakhulu. Kunesisana hayibo ma hayi. Usana nezinye ngicela sengithi yabo. Ngabele ngabhukte.
Sanibonani. Congratulations sis Tino and Biskati. So uma singekho entweni zenu angazi kushoni lokho ngathi i-weekend ebhizi but sikudelile sila kuwe siyabonga kakhulu babuduma isipho sakho siyabonga kakhulu ngicela ukuphe sami sokuthi wherever you go mina ne-media house yami mina njengo chief editor nginama newspaper u2 ngicela ukuthi la uyakhona ngeke uyiswele coverage ikhona iKhazimona KZN ikhona isigodlo ayike uthinta mina ngizozifikela akukwazi ukuthi ungapha kuthiwa izandla
Shangana avumile amazulu kubhaliwe in the stars when usungo wami
Integral Art Child Africa again on the Wednesdays, creative spotlights And it's Lana at Hue Cafe, and I'm sitting with my girl, Luto, from Bangles and Bliss.
Yes.
Welcome.
Thank you so much for having me.
You look lovely.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. So we're here at a Zulu Lover Girl, the first ever of its kind.
Yes.
Usibu.
Yes.
You wanted today how it was. I saw you
Amazing.
dancing, Lapayana. How are you finding it?
I had a good time. I love Usibu and her music. She's just a ball of energy and she's so beautiful. So experiencing this live, I got goosebumps. I almost cried a couple of times. I don't want to lie. But this was beautiful. I don't want to lie. And I'm also honored that she chose to work with us, Bangles and Bliss, to be also part of her show. I'm so grateful and I'm so blessed.
Yeah, and then I saw Uti Lapayana, she made a post. Uti, guys, I just got, because there's a post she made where she went to town and she had forgotten her bangles. And she feels naked.
Exactly.
And then I saw then later on, Uti, you guys and all said, yo, girl, we got you. How did you think about that?
How it came up, actually, it was Uteboko who actually linked us up with Sibu. We had a conversation and she was like, this is what I'm trying to do. And we're like, oh, girl, we got you. That is our forte.
Yeah.
And she loves bangles. If you know Sibu, you know
you can hear from she's a mile away.
Exactly.
Yeah,
so it just made sense. The collaboration, everything just came together so well. She gave us a brief. We're like, girl, we got you. We got on a few calls. We finalized everything, and then here we are today.
Yay! And then you saw the show today, and what are you expecting from Sibu in the future? Because I know she also caters for a band that say, I'd like to see this from you, like to see this from you. Because she was brilliant today.
Yeah,
but what more would you like to see?
Oh, I just want her to go far, and I hope she takes us with her as she goes far, and above borders. But I know she's gonna do big things because she's amazing, to be honest. Yeah,
that's very true. And then you guys have a store called Bangles and Bliss. Please tell us more about that.
Oh, Bangles and Bliss is my little baby. It's my baby, my baby. Yeah. So Bangles and Bliss basically caters for the girls who likes acrylic bangles or the gold jewelry or even acrylic earrings, and it comes from the love that I also have for bangles and jewelry, because I actually pierced my ears like very late in life because at Kaya we were not allowed to have piercings. So I became like not obsessed, but I kind of like used it as a form of expression, because now every outfit I had on, it was like, with the earrings and the bangles. So that's what it's about, man. That's what it's about. It's just for the girls. Just
for the girlies.
Pieces for the girlies. Yeah, it's
I'm gonna come
for the
shop
girls.
there because Nami got time to query.
I can see the girl. I'm like, okay. Yeah.
So then, for people who want to find you and also want to come shop, how can we find you?
So we do have a store on Instagram. You can hit up our page. It's bangles.s.bliss. On Instagram, and then we do also have a store on Yaga. So you can hit us up on Instagram or Yaga or WhatsApp, but I don't like the WhatsApp one, but Instagram.
Instagram,
DM
fine. Because the WhatsApp,
go
to a episode. Oh, Masubal Kazi.
There's
a lover girl, no
Kazi.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much for having me.
I'm sure we're gonna show what kind of bangles you guys have, and then we're gonna also have information on the page. Thank you so
much. You're feeling big. Shine is a boo, yes, if you get pele.
Hey guys, this is here at Hue Cafe and Zulu Lover Girl, and what's this Mapule? How are you doing today?
Yeah, Pianjan.
Yeah, Pilato Nasangboard. It's okay. It's okay.
You change all the time.
I do, shame. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So we're here for Usibu, a very beautiful, brilliant young lady, all vibrant. And then notice to see you also like in the industry. How did that come about?
It's not in the industry, like by blood.
By blood. Wow,
yes,
that's beautiful.
Just I'm telling you.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah,
who's in the cousin?
I'm sure, because ukhule emncane nje vele bekuvele kukanje.
Yes.
Ubethanda ukuthi manje noma sisontweni sothi sizocula alingise yabona ingane encane ikhumbula ama lyrics engoma yasenkonzweni. Ngabe kuyashwela enkonzweni ama lyrics kodwa
yabona Yibona
Kodwa uzokhumbula njengoba kunjalo
Yeah.
performe ngelama competition sekwazi kwangelela engelela yena.
Yeah.
Kama sizitshela fanele support. So
Yeah.
it has been into yakhe. Like she's a creative mangabe kanjalo because ukuluka nakhona uyayiluka aluka abantu so it started samncane.
Kumele ngimfonele.
No uyalenza ekhaya. Uyashaya.
And yamona futhi nembala ezayifakayo, she's
Yeah.
so expressive.
Very
and
yes.
Ukhulele kephi?
creative. Ukhulele kahle kahle ukuzalwa kwakhe sasihlala le eAtlan Park. So ukhulele khona sayimlazi manje sisekhaya.
And manje ngiyazi ukuthi most she did mention ukuthi ukhulele endaweni eziningi, but obviously nomlazi is one of the main things. So umuntu njengaye nje expressive, colorful endaweni njengaselokishini. Kuba kanjani?
Yo sibusi ena mayiphambi kwabantu uba ilento wena usukuba yona
Yeah.
ngathi unwabo. So
Yeah.
adapted to into omnikeza yona but yena maye uyena she's very expressive, loud and creative nje kakhulu. Yabo umntwana obona ukuthi ene awuzumhlalisa into eyo isikhathi
Yeah.
eside so she needs to move and move and move.
Yeah. So manje namhlanje show it was beautiful and wenze nje exceedingly and beyond. And abantu bekugcwele abantu bengena kanje.
Ngasekhithala bese ngitithekisa bese kanjani. Wamanye naki space khona ngala but nayo into yenzeka ngale but ke hey ungithusile kakhulu nami namhlanje. Ngiyamazi ukuthi she's a performer, ngiyamazi ukuthi she's got a good voice but today
Today she sampled. She samplile.
ungithusile ngempela but ke kusho ukuthi uyakhula emsebenzini
Hayi
ayenzayo.
ukhulile and into emnandi ukuthi uyenze lesesekhaya singakubo phela la.
Yeah.
And sifile samzomsupport.
Yes kakhulu.
So and sibona futhi samculela happy birthday bakithi ngithe
23 1998
Oh.
hamba around about 2
Ngabo 2 nkosiyami. Kade ngibona ku Instagram abantu abebuza mama ukuthi ngazala ngasikhatsini. Abangazwa mange ke phansi.
yayo lithanda kuba inzima yangahleka athi umama uhambe asangitshela ukuthi wazasikhathi.
Ngazalwa ngo-6
Tabamo, that's great. You like you know. Okay.
So manje ke ngiphiselani nje uSipho?
uSipho ngimfisela okuhle konke ayifisela kona because naye uzibona ekude. So okwami usengitshelisile nje namhlanje ukuthi ene for us as parents sidinga ukuthi simsupport simshoke sibelievele entweni ayiyona. So ngimfisela konke okuhle ayifisela kona ngimfisela abe international kakhulu because I can see ukuthi noma ekhona nganginovali kude esasegoli nje ngangishawuva but ngiyabona manje sengayimele. So ngimfisela nje konke okuhle ayifisela kona nami ngizamile as a parent ukuthi ngisebenzise lento ethi ukhulisa umntwana indlela ekebe yakhe angasuki kuyona because mangihamba mina fanele akwazi ukuyiphilisa umsebenzi. So nami ke sengaguga ngithathe retirement ngibona ukuthi uzokwazi ukuyimela.
And then in closing to the parents abanengane mhlawumbe ezithanda iart but abantu abama Africans they don't understand our journey ngathini kubona.
Yo ngicela ukusho lokho ave kubalekile mina ngafunda nje lebhlungu uSipho bevele netalent but ngase ngithi kuyena akahambe uyofunde eVarsity at least athole into ezobreak up umsebenzi wema sengitshela ukuthi ayenzeki lento sakufanele ngokho imali yonke yesikole kwaba buhlungu ngifuqa ngokho imali engasafundi kwaye kodwa nje ngisakwazi ukwenza lento mina yabo. So ngithi nje please parents support your ingane zenu like umuntu unetalent usuke edinga wena umsupport. Uma ungamsupport uzovela angene ku-influence abanye abantu laba bayiphuzela abazenzela nemi kanjani. So please support them. Uma uyibona ukuthi khona yenze bekhona kakhulu wena.
Yes, ayisabonga kakhulu for your time.
Ngiyabonga.
Uthemba into yephini ifisa khona.
Lalela we phela leyo lifestyle. Kahle masithi
Mina uzofaka iphini ifake namhlanje.
Bengigqokile mina. Bengigqokile mina ngabona sengeke lana uzosuke ngisale ngedwa. Ngabo yashintsha thina manje ngizama ukufitha cha. Guys ngicela ukunibonga nani for konke enikwenzayo. Ayi ukuthi asiboni siyabona lento eniyenzayo podcast and thuthukisa ama-talent nani nje nina nisinikeza those things esingekho aware of. uNkulunkulu anigcwalisele anikhulise njalo nibe nemishini emikhulu eminingi yonke indawo nibe everywhere. Thank you.
Siyabonga ayisabonga kakhulu. And that note we're gonna close it ngesibusiso. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Right now we still supports her super supporter uMinikazi. Hi.
Hello, Sisi.
Unjani?
Unjani?
Yaphila. Welcome to the Creatives Unplugged podcast. Namhlanje sikuyi Ezulu Love a Girl, ishow yaSipho. How did you find it?
Oh, Hashem, ibimnandi. Ibimnandi. Ngifike late kodwa nje ngi-enjoyile.
Ngibonile.
Bekumnandi.
And into engichaza ngayo ukuthi ufike wedwa Why the into odayo uhlala wedwa and you take your
Usihambela
content uhambela namanje usawedwa but not manje but nje what would you say to someone who wasn't here today? What did they miss?
Uphutheliwe nje bekumnandi ukubona uSibu eperforma live.
Yeah.
So obengekho namhlanje uphutheliwe and ngiyamfisela ukuthi next time mayiphinde perform uSibu abe ekhona ngoba uSibu umnandi kakhulu mawumbuka live than ummamela ko Spotify na ko YouTube.
Yeah, and sabona uthi streamer sisi we saw ukuthi khona ingoma ezithandala. What's your top 3 favorite songs?
Angiyazi i-top 3 kodwa eyokuqala nje ngizothi iduku mina nje iduku nanini ngihlezi ngisho ngithi uSibu noma angarelease nini kodwa ayikho ingoma ayoyikhipha eyodlula iduku kumina namanye akhona
ngibonisa ukuthi
namanye akhona ngiyawathanda wonke amaculo kaSibu ngiyawathanda wonke ngiyawamamela wonke kodwa nje ehamba phambili kumina iduku nkosami ngaze ngamcela ngisho ekwi live ngelinye nganje Sibu mawuhambe nje ungaphefuma ngiduku ngiyokuduba impilo yami yonke.
But it's so lovely to see you coming from the actual community, okay? That's not just online, but you also come and show up. What is the importance that you can say who support some artists and then what would you say to people who must support artists and buy tickets?
Mina ngingathi into engihlezi ngisho ukuthi sonke siyathandazana sicela ukuthi uNkulunkulu abe khona ezimpilweni zethu kodwa uNkulunkulu ngeke azafike ngokwakhe aze la kuwena azozibonisa ukuthi mina ngikhona ezoNkulunkulu uzothumela abantu ukuthi babe izingelosi ezobonisa ukuthi yena ukhona. So as abantu masupport ama-artists sithenga amathikiti mawunawo amandla so that i-artist izobona ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukhona ngani ngokuthi wena ube khona ushow up uthenga ithikiti lakhe ngaleyo ndlela wena uzobe uyingilosi etheni ethunywe uNkulunkulu ukuthi uzethi uzombona uze kulo muntu uzombonisa ukuthi ikhona into ayenzayo makaqhubeke enze because uSibu indlela esithenga amathikiti manje uzobona ukuthi no abantu bayangithanda kube mina ezuminikazi bengathenga ngithikiti uNkulunkulu uSibu bengekazi abona ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukhona. So ngamunye wethu sithenga amathikiti sibe izingelosi zaNkulunkulu zokubonisa ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukhona mabaqhubeke benze banga give up empilweni.
Wow, that's such a lovely sentiment. I love that. And for my artists amaningi, I don't know if you guys know ukuthi stream esisodwa ku Spotify is 0.001 cent. So for you guys to actually buy tickets and come,
and
yeah, I love the fact that you actually came from Mama Live, TikTok, you actually also came physically to her. But so thank you so much, and just say bye. What's up, everybody? It's your girl on Child Africa. Don't say la, Miss Patty. How am Miss Dougal, Miss Lover Girl? Like you can say, how you doing, girl? What's up, Baba? Hey, anyways.
Oh man, I'm blessed and highly favored. I think this speaks to that. I think that I don't know. I don't have the words to express how happy I am, how grateful I am. The show was a success. When we spoke about it, I told you I was scared.
Hey,
I told you.
You told me, girl, and I was like, then it's on the table. I don't think we go to this thing like it's the end. But now I'm saying I have a position where I had to do a show, and it's like, but you all call look at how much people can actually show up. And we really want to. Stacked it.
Bacula bantu angiyazi mina into enje yami Nkosi yami ngize ngithi Nkosi yami nginikhokhisa ukuthi ngizoculela mina phela the way people sang their hearts
they paid you to come sing for you.
Yes, they paid to come
sing.
And you know my manager was talking about how nobody asked you for a show, like nobody asked you to bring them here to sing, but now they're all here paying to watch you sing. Yeah, man.
But in that the show to smart people go to Nekas.
Hey,
unogazi.
Hey, that is affirming. I appreciate that. I'm always fighting with people.
No, unogazi. Phela mhlawumbe elenje ngabona kwayizinja.
You ate with that one. Yeah. Trademark it.
How many things are gonna trademark today?
Trademark everything. Bazitshontshe style sakho.
Hey, okay, Creative Unplugged, PTY LTD. Hey. Konke. Anyways, I was telling you about the verse. I think it's in Matthew. It's a name. The birds of today don't worry about what they're gonna eat, right? Tomorrow has enough worries of its own, and you were like, what's in Jemfi Lana? Yeah.
Bengibuka abantu bengiqhubela ngithi anofake bo. Anofake. You know.
Laba kwazi ukusho lutho.
Yeah, no, I get it.
Yeah, you get it. And then everything kunaka ukuthi ma highly favored and highly blessed. Ukuthi uNkulunkulu vele show off. Wafonelwa ibhangles and police yathi sifuna ukubhangela.
Cela ukubhangela. Akumabhangela kumabhangela.
Mina makhali enkosi.
Hayi.
So akhalisa lapha kabhangela. Kwafika uPenzo wathi nje
yebo undalenhle Sims wathi ngicela ukugqokisa mina ngizogqokisa impahla entswemi. Lapho ngiyamtshela ukuthi shayini animal print
ngiyatshela.
Hey wangenza enye inkomo mfethu engingayazi nami engingayazi ile mfethu mhlambe engiyolotsholwa ngayo isafunwa.
Ngiyatshela.
Basayithungatha le.
Ngiyatshela.
Yalesikhumba le.
Bethungatha thongathi. And then wena-ke your own style wathi nje nawe la
style mina
you can't deny.
Ngayifaka wenani sajuluka angizazi ukuthi njani. Ongibonayo azi ukuthi ngiphuma emsebenzini. Umuntu ephuma emsebenzini-ke uyamazi ukuthi unjani. Ngiphuma emsebenzini. Iy'nkopho emazi kanje azi ukuthi isimo sami
naye ula
ngila nami.
And then Hugo Faye family, yabona nje ukuthi ikwethu kule isekhaya. Do you see the amazing vibe lekhona lana?
This is exactly why I wanted to be here.
I don't think there's any other place in Durban. I'm sorry guys, no offense to any other venues. We love you all, man. We love you all. But yabona mofika la hlangabeza futhi i-painting, ibhuku, imbali.
It's a space for the arts.
I'm telling you.
And anywhere that makes place for the arts is my home.
Yes.
That is why you guys are my home. What do you want to talk about? I love platforms that create indawo for Durban artists. Durban, because we spoke about this on the show. Umuntu melaza adweba eGoli.
Mfethu ucabanga nolwandle lapha eGoli.
We understand Germans shaya amaswi sitshuze masiqeda la. Bese ngakwenza kanjani ke lokho.
Sophola nje ebeach.
Rangithi you understand? I love it. I love it here. I love it at Hugh. I love people that see the arts. I love people that want to show people the arts. Thank you.
Hey, Supushile.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, Supushile. Yes, I mean, I've also had shows before, but every second post when.
Ngingafakanga nemali behind it. Kusho mase ngifake imali behind it.
In front of it.
So when it's sold out.
And then today, before, when he shows up, he shows off. We had a lovely, I'm a gift maning that were lovely today. Were fully booked and busy. I don't know. Lalela. Bekumele vele.
Great.
Ufuna to fly abantu down from
Woza.
And I think the most lovely sentiment about today is that it's the night of the Metro Awards. I was like, oh
my Lord. But you know what I realized is that I'm doing a show as a creative, but this show was for the people that love the music. Yes. It was probably not for ama creatives azobe lapha. But you know what's crazy? Umzulu phaqa kade performer lapha.
Ngimbonela ngena la.
And then where's still
angemazi ushoneke
wena angimazi uhambile, but when you see this I want to let you know that I see you.
Yeah.
And I appreciate you and I love you and you are safe.
And in that sense, the Creators Unplugged, we would like to unpack the story because we saw he posted show you go to say phone and give up and I think I've given up like 10 times now.
Why mean? I'm saying the Shai Lauren Hill.
Kanti. uNkulunkulu khona eyibekile.
Kungenza singagcina
Mm, bayeke phela
Deluxe. Hey, kunama-voucher lana.
Manje wena uNdaba usacoming.
Hey, ngeke bangiluma kakhulu mfethu, ngeke.
Hawu khona sisimapule
Hayi
ngabo.
ngeke bangiluma kakhulu.
Ah, sokhuluma.
Yakani ukutshontsha umculo wethu.
Oh, ama-AI.
Hayi ama-AI.
Oh.
Kunama-artist atshontsha umculo
Uba
wethu.
loyo oh.
Ngeke ngimusho lana. Kodwa baningi ethimbeni. Ngicela baye ukutshontsha umculo wethu. Angikho right. Angikho right. Xa niye ukutshontsha umculo wama-artist sisebenza
Hey,
kanjani?
mfethu. And futhi enze so futhi mose studio malu post and stuff asebeyakunza khona
Yona lento ngisho. And look, angifuni nje ukisho lento yo flattery. Copying is flattery, no guys.
Guys,
talk to me, let me endorse it. It's
yes,
my shit.
sampling,
Like, give me
sample it properly.
Sample it properly. Let's chat about it. Ungangenzi into wrong impela. Yazicishe wangikhuba wena lokho njani?
Ye wena.
Hey,
hey,
when I catch you,
yo,
I want you and all your niggas. Esikhaleni ngantombela.
Esikhaleni ngantombela. Oh, awe maso bazogqenywayo. Hey, but Fethu, you're so beautiful.
Thank you, dog. Thank
your
you.
voice. Obviously, we know that you can sing. But then today, at my levels, we're like labeling. Well done. Your band is amazing.
I love them.
Hey, this is Pincha la yezwa. Bengazi angazi. And your VVs, brown, baba, everything was amazing.
Yeah, thank you.
Your final remarks?
Thank you, Creatives Unplugged. Like, ngiyabonga. Whatever happens, when I get my Grammy, when I'm that girl,
we gonna cover it, girl.
I want you to remember that you probably first saw me here because these people saw me. I always want to put it out. This was my first ever podcast. You guys, you were like, come through, and I was like, podcast, damn you. So to have you guys here, nazingiphatha kahle. Ngiyabonga ningiphuzisa ngotshwala. Nangithatha nje nginjalo ngakhuluma iqiniso lami. Nangazama ungikhipha gossip. Thank you so much.
Thank
you guys.
Thank you.
It's only a matter of time before everybody else realizes that it's an honor to be sitting with you guys. People are gonna wanna put money behind making sure that their name is on your screens.
Oh, we receive that.
Well done, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, Sibu.
Give me a hug.
Oh, thank you. And on that note, guys, ngempela yazi kusami lento lesi keep emaphaketheni ethu.
Hey,
makhono bonayo nje lapho ufaka iphakethe. Bona nisifande.
Branding,
noma sigqoka onafaka amakepe asankinga thina. Khona. Isho sifunana sikhona as a Creatives Unplugged podcast and we have immaculate quality. Sine studio esihle esi-amazable.
Sound.
Yonke into right.
Of the arts, out of the range, ban.
So in closing, ngokugcina ngempela yena. What should we expect?
When umfundisi wethu sengivala.
Angazi nguyena yazi. Kusikhona kade ngikhona sekuvalwa kaningi. Ama conference kade ngahamba.
Nala kuvaleka.
Sengivala.
Aya.
Kodwa bena sengikhotha ngifuna ukuthi what do we expect from you and then say goodbye to your supporters.
Deluxe. Zulu Lover Girl Deluxe. Ukuthi akekho lo muntu lo kumele ayiproduce. Ukuthi aconfirm ukuthi siyayenza noma siyenza.
Okay, mina ngifuna name drop njalo.
Ngifuna ukuthi noma sengingasasebenzisi
yini. Kube ngathi uyena.
Kube ngathi uyena.
Sayuyena
manje. Esizokhipha namculo. A deluxe version, more music, definitely movies, definitely TV shows. Just
ngizoluthola nenda FM family.
Mina ngisemsakazweni on the Saturdays. Nami ngikhonela ama creatives afunzokhuluma emsakazweni.
Hayi sizofonela wena sina phela Creatives Unplugged thina sine EP. EP lezi Creatives.
Let's unlock. Bring this thing here. Bring this thing here so we can come talk about it and all that.
So fika konke manje and then mhlawumbe uthi nathi uzofika necamera yakhe thina sokhulumayo manje.
Ama credits mase khuphuka. Kakuvi Studios banibani.
Wonke umuntu inside. Hi guys, you're here first. To say Hue Cafe. Guys, please support Hue Cafe.
Yes.
We can't lose the spots in Durban.
Ngizoyibulela mina. I love this place. I love this place.
Yeah.
I come here during the week to read a book and have coffee and
Yeah.
hopefully see Linda so that angiboni ukuthi ngikhona nama. But yeah, guys.
But guys,
come to
please
you.
support Hue Cafe. Guys, we can't
We
lose
love
the
you.
space. We love you, Linda.
We love you,
Thank you
Linda.
so much.
On the couch,
baby. Njengamanje senezinto ze-game Canon.
Hola.
Hola.
Abanjani?
Sini, bathini?
Simnandi mfethu.
Yeah.
7031.
Of course,
Please.
representing.
Yes.
And right now, Hue Cafe, we just saw an amazing show, Kasibu. How do you find it?
Mfethu, I'm a fan of a live performance. Ukubuka the live band, the performance from Ekale. I'm a fan of the art.
Yeah.
So this is why in ngifika la I felt at home.
Yeah.
So from band yakhona, the whole construction and everything, I fell in love with it. Ngithandele kakhulu, even got inspired with the project engisebenza kuyona. So oh man, I'll definitely
Yeah.
come back here. next
Yeah.
time.
And then you are on the drive, right? You're back on the drive with Inanda FM?
Definitely.
And then
Umlila.
usebenza noSisi Usibu. How is it working with her?
It's fire, it's fire. So kumnandi bafethu ukusebenza nabantu esisebenza nabo, especially Usibu. This is actually my first time ukumbona live.
Yeah.
Ngimbona
Usayibo kanti wena unjena.
Bruh, most of the time ngihlezi behind the show.
Yeah.
Ngisha nje the technical side, but for the first time ukumbona enza into live, you're super proud.
Yeah.
Keep it up, usisi wami.
And then what would you say to her in closing?
Fire. She should keep the fire going on.
Yeah.
She have my full support.
Yeah.
Nje, I'm sure. Nje,
Sizwile
support
ukuthi
yami.
nasemele size lapho kusuzosubmita lapho.
You guys definitely should pull up.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
ngajabula kakhulu ukumbona guys because
Yeah.
ekugcineni iTheku there's one thing engeke ngibone eGoli naseThekwini kushoda le nto yokubambisana.
Ukubambisana.
So ngiyacela ukuthi bafowethu sibambisaneni kancane sizameni sinyamezele but ukubambisana ukubalekile eThekwini so that we can keep the fire going on.
Hayi ke ususholo wena ke, and guys nani you guys heard it here first. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Kenon Sabong.
Yes, 3 to 6 Loction Drive in 98.4 FM.
Hi, bafethu nezwela ke nani? Silove Hue Cafe. We just had this little lover girl by Sibu. Creators Unplugged podcast signing out on the Creative Spotlight. Woo! Hey.